Stocks managing to close higher today, but they did not erase all of yesterday's losses. We've got two big things going on: earnings and the debt crisis in Europe. Let's go to the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah Kostroun has the details. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. And in fact, traders telling me those two things are really what everyone is talking about. You've got earnings and also Europe, and that's exactly what we saw today. Earnings from Bank of America really helping out those financial stocks after the bank posted an unexpected third quarter profit of $6 billion. The company had that higher revenue, also better credit quality. And also remember, Bank of America, the worst performer so far this year in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, down 50% still. And that news from Bank of America helping out JP Morgan, Citigroup, and even Goldman Sachs closing higher, even though they reported a loss. Only the second time since going public that Goldman has reported a loss. Now, the information and the news that we got out of Europe, France and Germany reaching that agreement to boost Europe's rescue fund, that really also helped to move this market higher, kind of catapulting us here in the afternoon session, Pim.
Now, Deborah, the housing market, right, limping along, but home builders, they were higher today after an optimistic report.
Right. Those home builders really enjoying a really good rally, as you can see, up about 10% today on that index. This after data showed that home builders were less pessimistic than forecast in October, and it's really because of the low mortgage rates, and in fact record low mortgage rates, and the fact that home prices are down, and that has people a little bit more optimistic that things in the housing market will be a little bit better over the next 6 months. And while we're talking about the market being higher, there's one stock certainly that was sharply lower, Harley-Davidson, and this is after they released earnings. The company sold more lower price bikes, which cut into their profit because they have right now a limited availability of the pricier bikes, and that is because they are doing a major revamp of one of their factories, so it's kind of limited the availability of the higher price models. That's it from here. Pim, back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.